Hi, I'm James from JMP Woodcrafting. Today I'm going to share with you how I get the paint out of sharp corners when I'm refinishing. So this cabinet here was a painted cabinet, but it's got this nice maple underneath. So I'm gonna actually clear coat finish this, but I wanted to get the old paint off. This was part of a dresser that was built in 1940s. So it was my great grandparents, and I'm refinishing it for my daughter. So what I want to do is, I've got these tight corners here where this trim is, and I'm having trouble. I can't just sand the paint off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a card scraper. And watch here, and I'm going to show you some of how I do this. Let's talk just a minute about safety. Whenever we are working with wood, there's creating a lot of things that are bad for you. Even if I'm doing hand tool woodworking or hand tool stuff, I always wear my safety glasses. Of course, mine are prescription, so I actually got these made for me at my local eyeglass shop, and they make OSHA approved safety glasses that come in your prescription. Because, you know, I'm getting blind in my old age, so I have to have a prescription glasses. But you can get these safety glasses are cheap. If you don't need regular glasses, you can get them all over the place. But get you a pair of good quality safety glasses. It's something that's going to save you a lot. Even if I'm doing stuff like this, I don't want dust to come up in my eyes. I don't want splinters to come off. And so protecting your eyes is important. If I'm doing sanding or something like I am on this cabinet here, I always wear a respirator. Respirators are good to protect your lungs. They're going to keep you from inhaling that dust. Even though I'm doing hand tool work, it's still setting off dust, and it's still allowing dust into the air, and I don't want to inhale those particles. So always wear a respirator and safety glasses when you're doing some of this kind of woodwork. Using a card scraper like this is a lot simpler and easier than trying to sand it. You can get a simple card scraper like this. I got a little package of them. It cost like 15 bucks at my woodcraft store, and I got like 6 different card scrapers, so they're fairly cheap. I also got a burnisher for sharpening it. I'll do another video later on how I sharpen my card scrapers. I've actually learned how to use a card scraper from the wood whisperer, Mark Spagnolo. I am a member of his guild, and so, you know, these are a great tool that I use all the time. In fact, since I started using scrapers just a few months ago, I have replaced a lot of sanding and a lot of work, and especially without a shop, it's a really great, small, simple, easy to use tool that you can use if you don't have a wood shop, and they're not that expensive.